First up today, we have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath Hokulani Golf Villa. This seller is actually offering a $15,000 credit. There's currently 14 available in this community, and this is by far one of the better ones, with views out the front and views out the back. There's been 6 sales in this community this year. You've got to come see this one. It's listed right now for $2.295. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Talk to you soon.